Today and Windows Server 2008, I'm going to be checking log entries for DNS. You can use Server Manager to check the log information for any of the roles you have installed, including the DNS server role. In this activity, you check the most recent log entries for the DNS services. So open the Server Manager, which is already open. In the roles summary section, look for the link to DNS server with any of the following: a white circle with I inside for information, a yellow caution sign with exclamation points, or a red circle with X inside, representing an error. If any of these symbols appear in front of the DNS server, it means there is a log information. And actually, I think we should be able to show everything in our right pane here, or in our left pane. Okay, so we go to roles and check that, and right up here, or we go down to our DNS server, and we have no messages, and system services are all running. So we'll click the link to the DNS server. In the right pane, you see the events logged for DNS server in the last 24 hours, and we just looked at that. So there's no logs done in the last 24 hours. However, double-click any event listed under events, because at this point they are likely to be only information events. So we can go to our event viewer, or the events are here, which it shows none. Or you could also go to your event viewer to see the events. In the event properties dialog box, you'll see a description of the event in general tab and a troubleshooting situation. You can use this description for information about the problem. So that would be the event ID level. Scroll down to the right pane to see the system services section. Notice that here you can check to see that DNS server is running. So it says system service, and it says all running, status running, startup type auto. Scroll down further in the right pane and you'll find the resource and support section, which contains additional resource information for troubleshooting DNS rules. And this is the resources and support and recommendations. It gives you all kinds of recommendations: enhance DNS server availability and performance by adding a domain controller, reduce zone replication traffic by storing DNS data in application. So it just gives you loads of advice to get your DNS running up to par. So that's it for this one, but that's just some information, troubleshooting information for your DNS server.